Hi everyone, welcome into GMA tutorial. Today in this tutorial we will talk about FTP parameterization and how it helps in testing file transfers like uploads and downloads. Parameterization makes it easy to test with different data without much effort. So let's begin. First understand about the parameterization. Parameterization is a technique where we use variable instead of hard coding values, making our test flexible and reusable. It allows us to test different scenarios by simply changing the input data without modifying the code. In previous tutorials, I have already defined about the download and upload the file transfer by using JMeter. You can watch this video. So in this tutorial, I will import this example, click on file and then click on open and then click on FTP request. In the FTP request, we have added the get request. This is the remote file and this is the location in which this file will be downloaded. And the second request, which is FTP put request. In this put request, we upload the file into the remote directory. This is open source FTP server. You can connect into FileZilla. This is FTP URL, FTP username and password. In the FileZilla, you need to enter the host name and username, password, and then click on Quick Connect. This is the remote directory and this is the local site, local computer directory. This is your local site and this is the remote site in which you want to send the file. In the real scenario, we need to send the multiple requests. As you can view, we are sending one file into the server. In the put request, we are sending this upload.php file into the remote directory. But in the real scenario, we need to send the request with multiple data. So we need to choose the dataset config. First, create a file in which enter this file name, because if we send this request, FT put request, in the next time it will send the message because we are getting the error. This file already exists in the remote site. So each time we need to send the file with different names. To overcome this issue, we need to create one CSV file in which first row enter the name and this is the file's names. In this scenario, we are sending three files. So here add, right click on thread group, add config element. In the config element, click on CSV dataset config. First, we need to browse this file, click on browse and then click on ftp.csv. Now create a variable before sending the request with CSV dataset config. Let's check whether it's working fine. So click on run. Now we are getting the successful response for 200 with the response message okay. In this scenario, multiple requests are sending because we are using loop count is equal to 3. Let's change the value 3 to 1, clear all results and then again run this test. Now only two requests will be sent to the server. In the first FTP, in the get request, this request are sending. This is the URL with the protocol. In the response data, we are getting this response from the server. In the FTP, this is the URL with the complete path. Now, use the CSV dataset config. Here we are using this file and then add the variable name instead of hard-coded value here. In the remote file, suppose we want to send the multiple files. So in this first row, which is name, we need to create the variable here. For creating the variable, first use dollar curly brackets and then name, and then save this test line. Let's run this test and check whether it's working or not. Run this test. Get request has been successfully sent to the server, and same as well. This request has been successfully sent to the server. Here, one thing we need to notice that readme 1211 only first line is read from this .csv file, because here we enter thread group. If number of threads is equal to 1, we need to change the value here 1 to 3, because we have 3 records in this file. Let's again run this script. We can verify on here by clicking on this refresh the file, and here you can view readme 121 file has been successfully sent to the remote site. Let's run this test with loop count equal to 3 and click on run. First clear the all results. We need to clear all the results and again run the test. Now FTP get request sent, put request readme 1211, and the second get request sent, and this is second record readme 1212, and total 6 request has been successfully sent to the server. We can verify this files has been successfully sent to the server. Let's check. Here you can view readme 121, and this file has been successfully sent to the server. Same as well, we can view the get request, because we in the get request we are fetching the records from the server, and this file will be saved in this location. See users tells del catch1.csv. In this location, this file will be saved. That's all for today's tutorial on FTP parameterization. I hope you found it simple and useful. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to SK World for more easy tutorials. Have any questions? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.